In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. If you have been building a website and you want the navigation to be more organized, a drop-down menu is a great way to group related pages under one main link. It helps visitors find what they need without cluttering your top navigation bar. To get started, you will first need to log into your account dashboard at Squarespace. Once you are signed in, you should be looking at your main dashboard area, where you can manage your website settings and page structure. This is the control center for editing your site, so everything you do next will come from here. Next, you will click Website in the left sidebar menu. This takes you into the section where you can manage website-level settings, including navigation and page behavior. When you click it, watch for the content area to update so you can see the options related to your site. After that, click Pages in the submenu. This is the area where Squarespace lists and organizes your website pages. Since drop-down menus are built from pages, it makes sense to set this up inside the Pages area so the menu has real page items to display. Now, you will locate the plus icon next to the main navigation section and click the plus symbol. This is the moment where you tell Squarespace you want to add an additional navigation feature. Look carefully for main navigation in the interface, and then find the plus icon right next to it, because that is what opens the menu settings for your top navigation. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up menu. You will want to see all of the different options available for configuring navigation. Scrolling ensures you do not miss the More Options section, which is where the drop-down control lives. When you reach the More Options section, click Drop-Down. This selection tells Squarespace that the navigation item you are about to create should behave like a drop-down, meaning it can contain multiple pages underneath it. Now you will type a name for your drop-down menu and press Enter. The name you enter is what visitors will see on the navigation bar. Choose something clear and descriptive, such as a category name, because it will help people understand what is inside the dropdown. Once the name is set, you will see a new dropdown folder box. Inside that box, click plus Add Page. This step creates the first page item within the dropdown, so you are building the structure that visitors will click to view specific content. Next, you will click Add Blank to create an empty page item. This is the simplest option, and it gives you a new placeholder page that you can later edit and fill with content. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing Add Blank, because that is the option that creates an empty page. Then type a name for the page and press Enter. The page name is tied to the item that will appear inside the dropdown. Use a name that matches the content you plan to put on that page, so the navigation stays intuitive and easy to scan. After you press Enter, Squarespace will create the new page item within the dropdown folder. At this stage, you have set up the dropdown menu category itself, and you have added at least one page under it. From here, you can continue working on your new page content and add more drop-down items if needed, but the core drop-down structure is already in place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.